In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box Treasure Edition. A year ago now, they reached out to me to ask me to be one of their ambassadors. I have been following Potomac Beads for a long time, and it was one of the first beading companies that I started watching their tutorials. So I was truly flattered when they reached out and asked me if I wanted to unbox their new or redesigned box or subscription box on my channel. And now it's been 12 months. Today we have December's. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this video out before Christmas, but you're going to have to check out all the beads. They're truly beautiful. I did record the unboxing before this intro, so I know what's in there, and I think you're going to love it as much as I do. And we're going to make some super cute earrings, and it doesn't matter if we have past Christmas. You can either make some Christmas earrings or bracelets or necklaces for Christmas next year, then you're ahead of the game. Because I am not always ahead of the game. You'll be ahead of the game for next year, or you can definitely use them to make other beautiful pieces of jewelry. And I'll show you right now what we're going to make that is not exactly Christmas themed, but I think it's super cute, and I hope you like it as much as I do. And you're probably thinking, why did you not get this video out before Christmas, Maria? Well, in all fairness, I did start recording it before Christmas Eve. But I had to get ready to go to visit my husband's family, which is where we spent Christmas this year. Oh, it's about 3 hours north of where I live. And here's, as you can see, my family, my husband's family, pretty big. So there was a lot to do to prepare, and I promised to bring baked goods. So I pulled out all my measuring cups and spoons, flour. Flour was flying everywhere, and I love baking for the holidays. I love baking cookies. So this is the result of all of it. So between getting that ready and getting it ready to go and baking, and then if you go out of town, and even, you know, I just have puppies now. I don't have little kids, but even have to get them packed to go. So and then, you know, gifts, everything. And so I feel like time just flew by, and before you know it, the holiday was upon us. So if you travel for Christmas, you probably know where I'm coming from. If you do, let me know in the comments below. If you did travel, where did you go? I didn't go out of state, but still, I had to get ready to travel. And also, if you didn't go out of town, let me know what you guys did for the holidays. I'd love to hear your stories. So anyway, that is why I was not able to get this video out in time. January's is already on the way. So like I said, it's not Potomac Beads' fault. It's my fault. But as I mentioned in the beginning, we're still going to be able to make some beautiful pieces of jewelry. So without further ado, let's go to the overhead camera so I can show you guys what is in this month's box, and then we can make a cute pair of earrings that I think you're gonna love to wear all year round. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so it seems I made a boo-boo. As I mentioned in my intro, I recorded the unboxing of this box previously before Christmas, but it seems that when I was editing, for some reason the video got deleted. I think I know what happened. My computer was full, and it was not allowing me to do anything on there because it said that the memory was full, and I went through and deleted some videos, and I must have deleted the one I filmed for this unboxing here. That makes me so angry. So anyway, good thing I did not store, because what I do is that after I unbox and I make the tutorial, then I go and I put everything away in different boxes, you know, storage boxes. So I'm so happy that I had not done that yet. And I was editing the video when I realized that. So we're going to go through this quickly. I wanted to show you what we got. The name of the box is called Winter Luminous. And like I said, this is the treasure box. Gives you a little blurb of what this month's box is. And so we're going to set this to the side. So I'm going to go through quickly and show you what we got. These are the wings that I used for the angels. They were all on one string. So they're kind of like little C-shaped crystal beads. I don't know what they're called. Yeah, they are actually called check glass angel wings. So there we go. So we ended up making the perfect earrings for them. So these are check glass angel wings. So we've got those in crystal. Then the spikes. Oh, let me grab all my little containers that I like. I picked these up at the dollar store if you're interested. Super cheap. For $1.25, you got a little beading trays. And so here are these spike beads. They are white 5 by 13 millimeters. And then we get a roll of the Potomac beads, nylon coated stainless steel beading wire. We get 5 meters on this roll, and it is a 7-strand beading wire, which is really, really nice. It has good flexibility. So like I said, we get a roll of that. And then we've got an ornament that we could definitely use for next year. It's got a protective coating, so we need to take that off. I'm not going to take it off right now because I don't want it, I want to save it and maybe I have some inks that I can use on here, and then maybe embellish it with some beads. So stay tuned for that, for a tutorial on that, probably for next Christmas. All right, so got that. And then we've got some Mayuki seed beads in this gorgeous red, like a metallic red, and these are size 11/0. They're silver lined, ruby. Then we've got this lovely bag of tons of mixed beads, which is where we used these little white beads for the heads of the angel earrings. And that I'll be showing you here in a minute, because like I said, I made the earrings and then realized that the video had been deleted. All right, so here's a class. It's a tube class 3-strand silver plated, and it's 21.5 millimeters. So we've got that, which is nice for making multiple strand bracelets. Then we've got these are spring clasps. Isn't that what they're called? Yeah, 24 karat rose gold plated spring clasp, and they're 6 millimeter. Just got a little bit there, so we all know what those look like. Then we've got some, these guys are little, like, they're not exactly round. I don't know if you can see, I don't know if the shape comes across. They're kind of like a little bit oval. They're stainless steel metal spacer beads, 24 karat rose gold plated as well. Then we have these really cool check twist nuggets, red, white, and green. So they're nice twisty nuggets. Oops, no, you know what? I'm going to put these here so you guys can see those. Then we've got these unique color for Christmas, but I like it. Like little tangerine beads. So these are check glass smooth rondelles, 3 by 6 millimeters in burr. I think it says burr. Maybe it's the beginning of the color name. But they look like little tangerines. They're kind of cool. Interesting color for Christmas, but that's absolutely fine. I love them all. I love any beads. We do not discriminate on our beads here. We love them all. Check Christmas trees. So lovely little Christmas trees that we can use for next year. Some earrings. Put those in here so you guys can see them. There we go. And then we've got some Ava beads. I call them Ava beads. They might not be Ava beads. Not sure. So we've got some metallic green Ava beads. We got some lovely Potomac pearls and pastel greens. These are 2 millimeter, really fun little pearls. I love their quality of pearls. So love this strand. We've got a lovely Rivoli here. And Mystic Sapphire. This is a 10 millimeter Rivoli. So I love the way it sparkles. So pretty. I'm going to leave this one in its baggie so I don't lose it. Then we have check glass paisley puff coins in crystal. Aren't these fun? Look at that. They almost look like pressed antique beads. So I really like the AB finish to them. Super fun. These are super cool. Check petal beads in 22. Check petal beads in 22 millimeter. They pearl, but they're like pearlized. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I'm trying to think of what I could make with these because they are so pretty, these petals. The drilling on these petals is right here through the side, so they're like pinched. So I'm trying to think trying to come up with something pretty to make, because right now pearls, I don't think they ever really go out of style. Every year I check to see what is trending for jewelry, and there's always pearls trending. So, and then we've got some round beads here. These are just check glass round beads. And they almost look like amethyst, but they are just regular check glass. So that's fun. And then we've got some fire polish, and they've got like an AB finish to them in green. They're super pretty. And then we've got some of these. They're bicone. Well, they're kind of bicone-ish. I don't know. They look almost from the top. No, they look almost like they're. If you can see here, they look like they're oval beads, almost bicone-ish. So in red. And then we have some blue fire polish, also with a fun rainbow effect to them. And then we've got these yellow round check beads. I think these are 4 millimeters. Yeah, round 4 millimeters. So these are 6 millimeter, and then we've got 4 round millimeter, and this like crystal yellow. So this is what is in the box for December. I apologize, it's in a rush, but I want to get this video out to you at least before December's over. And I was bummed to see that I had most likely deleted the video. So this is what we have. Now let's move on to our earring tutorial. All right, so I made these adorable little these angel earrings. What do you guys think? Check it out. Aren't they cute? And then I use this gorgeous lever back. It's got like a little shell here imprint. So it almost looks like the little head, the bead. I used one of the little white beads in the mix. And I did have to do kind of some, what do you call it? Wire wrapping of the bead. But it looks like a little dress. That's what I envisioned when I saw the beads. Honestly, I was falling asleep when the idea came to me. I saw it in my mind. So there you go. Isn't that cute? All right. So to make these, we're going to take these 22 gauge silver plated wire. So I'm taking 6 inches of this 20 gauge wire. Cut that. And then what you're going to do, we're going to set this to the side. What you're going to do is you'll grab one of these little daggers and thread this guy through here like so. And then what we're going to do, almost halfway, not quite, because we need one side to be a bit longer. So I'm just going to cross this one over the bottom and then bring it up the side of the bead, just like that. We're going to do the same with this side. Cross it underneath and bring it up like this. Okay? Then what we're going to do next is bring this guy around. Just hold it right there with your finger. Around and bring him all the way up to the peak, to the tip here, just like that. See? You're going to do the same with the other one. Bring it, kind of cross it over. Kind of makes it look like a little fancy dress for the angel. And bring it over and bring it up. Okay, so in the back we have kind of a little bit of a crisscross like that, and a crisscross in the front. So what you're going to do is hold it with your finger and bring this guy to the side, this guy to the side like that. Okay, and then here's the tricky part, because you have to grab, I like these little needle nose pliers. I switched up my Amazon links to my Amazon storefront. They finally gave me an Amazon storefront, and I've linked there all the little, like these are Xeron. I've linked there all these pliers. If you do use my Amazon storefront, thank you so much, because that supports my channel, so I truly appreciate it. So we're going to take this guy like this, and this guy, going to bend him with the little, bend him over the wire like this. See, it's almost like they're crossing, and then you just grab that little where they cross, just like that. You're going to bring this guy around like so. And just give it like two, not even. You don't want it to be too bulky. Oop. You want it to be too bulky, so you just kind of grab it there. We do have a little bit of wire left, but that's okay. And then straighten this guy up. And squish this down. Like I said, you got to be careful because you'll end up uncrossing the wires. Because you want them to be crossed on top of this tip. They won't move once you have it in place. And then just cut this off right there and tuck that little piece in here like so. Okay, and then this is where you're going to bring the little wings. Bring the wings down. See, make sure that you're bringing it all the way down like that. See how you got the little dress in the front, the crisscross? Make sure if they separate on the bottom, you can always bring them together like this, just so that the wires do not get loose. Like that. And then I took one of the white beads from here, from this bracelet. From this, from this bead mix here. Took one of these guys, that one. And then we're going to see, and then we're going to put the little head on. Almost looks like it's got little curls or little halo on there. It's super cute. And then here's where you do your little bend the wire. We're going to do a wrap loop. Super easy, super fast. You can make a ton of them, give as gifts, or even to hang on your tree. So like that. And then just wrap this about 3 times, 2 or 3 times. I would do 3. Cripe sakes, I can't hold on to my wire today. There. And then we cut the little end off like that. And I have another one of these really pretty ear wires, lever back. Oops. And the nice thing about these lever backs is that I don't need a jump ring. They do have a little opening here. See? Like a jump ring already. And then the best part, I don't know why this is there. The best part is that you can make sure the little dress, the cross, is facing forward. And close that up. And there you go. You have your 2 little angel earrings. See? Is that cute or what? Aren't they adorable? All right, let's try them on. All right, you guys, look at, there they are. What do you guys think? I put my hair in a bun so you guys could see them better. Aren't they cute? They're not that long because I don't have a long neck, and they are just perfect right there. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? They're so cute. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. So that is all that I have for this tutorial, because like I said, I needed to get this out. I needed to show you guys all the cute items that came in the December box. But I will do a short on another design because I want to do a short tutorial on crimping for those people that are new to beading and they want to learn how to crimp. I wanted to do that in a short, so you'll be seeing a short video to make the bracelet that I was thinking originally of making in a short. So stay tuned for that. And for now, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much if you subscribed, and huge thank you if you smashed that like button, as it truly helps my channel. And for now, I'll leave you with a video showing you what was in last month's box right up here. I'll see you over there. Bye.